Fine. 19th problem let us solve here. Which of the following measures of three angles can be those of a triangle? So they have given 4 options. Let us check out one by one. So before proceeding further, let us know the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Right. Let us check out this. Right. So 52, first one is 52 plus 69 plus 79. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 is 20, 0, 2 carry. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, that is 200. So this is not possible. Now 69, 71, 80, 140, this will become 170. This is also not possible. Now, so 132, 169, which is more than 180, this is also not possible. So let us check out this. This is 32 plus 69 plus 79. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 0, 2 carry. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. So 180 degree. So the answer here is D.